Alrighty then, so in this spontaneous but productive video, we are going to cover 15 most common shops and sites you will see in a high street like this. This is for the people that are interested in coming to Thailand and not knowing what to expect and have that sort of stigma, thinking it's a third world country and that it has barely anything to take care of your daily needs, which is completely false, and I'm going to prove that to you throughout the video. Also at the end I'm going to throw in a bonus tip, tricks and places to go if you have family, girlfriend, wife, so on and so forth. So stick around until the end and yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so first of all, barbers for us men, and believe it or not, there's salons for women. So for those that like to keep their hair neat and tidy, don't worry, there is really beautiful barbers all around Thailand and they are dirt cheap. So what I mean by dirt cheap, I mean like in the UK it's about £15 for a haircut, yeah, so that's about 600 baht, but here 150 baht. And if you're going into the middle of the city of Chiang Mai, let's say, if you're in any city, it'll probably be about 400 baht, so £8. So either way, you're getting a very good deal in Thailand. ATMs, hole in the walls that we call them back in the UK, a place where you can get money out. There are banks absolutely everywhere, okay? There's Green Bank, Blue Bank, Pink Bank, Bank of Bangkok, so on and so forth. They have ATMs dotted around the city, outside the city. Do not worry about not having a place to take out cash money, okay? It's always better to have cash on you. That's my personal opinion. I have my little bum bag. I always carry it around with me. So that's what I would do. I take cash out and just enjoy the holiday, not worrying about when your card will get blocked by your country's bank that you come from. Food markets. We call it street food, but I tell you what, it is delicious, and you can get a meal for just over £1 and the food is so good. Look at that. You see a lot of dinners or hot food for 55 baht, sometimes it's 40 baht, and that's the equivalent of £1 in the UK, so that's really good. So food markets. How do you get around a city if you don't have a bike or a car? Well, as you can see, businesses have Grab. They use Grab so much in Thailand, okay? It's like the go-to, let's say, Uber company in Thailand. So download the Grab app and you will have no problem getting to places. You can either have a car if it's raining, or you could just jump on the back of a bike and hold on for dear life if you're solo. By doing this will actually save you money in the long run, because cars are obviously a little bit more expensive, but you do get the luxury of AC and protection from the weather. Okay, so we're outside the local post office, and what to expect here, or why would you use this, is that if you found something amazing for your parents or your friends back at home and you want to send it to them, there are loads of companies that can help you ship whatever your gift is back to wherever you come from, wherever your family is, wherever your friend is. They can help you out, and actually it's well priced as well. Again, everything in Thailand is so much cheaper than the West. Laundry. There are so many companies in Thailand that do laundry, because the culture in Thailand is that they don't have their own laundry facilities, washing machine or a dryer in their own home. They go out and do it. And that's why just round every corner there's going to be a laundry mat for you and me to use. So when it comes to cleaning your clothes, don't worry. And also I believe that there's some hotels that actually have this facility actually in their hotel, and if you're in a condominium, well, don't be surprised if one's right outside your gates as you go in and out. So laundromats. Did your glasses break when you were on holiday? Has that ever happened to you? Don't worry, because there are people that make glasses. I forgot what they're called. Leave in the comments what they're called. And these are also scattered everywhere. Trust me, I know. My wife, she needed reading glasses, so we had to go to a place like this. And that's how I know through experience that these are absolutely everywhere. And I would say look around for the best price, because they do waiver for the same glasses. So if you like a discount, then do look into many of these places. But don't worry if you need some new glasses. Don't worry if your husband always sits on them because he leaves it in his back pocket. Don't worry about that, because you can always replace them. Okay, so on to the bonus video. Told you we'll get there in the end. We have arrived at the shopping mall. It's a pretty big mall, and you get loads of them in town, in city. Okay, so I'm going to show you about the things that you shouldn't worry about, because there's shops that give you these things that you may worry about coming to Thailand for the first time. I just want you to know that there's no need to panic, or pack it even. Don't pack these things. So we'll go into the mall now, and I'll show you a few shops that will help you once you're here. Okay, so bonus video. We're in the mall now. And for those that are overweight when it comes to the suitcase at the airport, and you need to throw a few clothes in the bin, don't worry. There's some really good deals. This is like £12 in the UK. 500 is £12. Buy one, get one free for some pretty cool tops. I may have to change the settings on the GoPro. I'll do that now quickly. Okay, we're back. So don't bother bringing a rucksack either for hiking or anything like this. So let's see what the prices are. Okay, that's a bit extortionate. The bag that I got was very, very, very cheap. Okay, it was about £12, so like 500 baht. If you want to go hiking and stuff and you don't have a rucksack, don't panic. You can everything here is really good. So this one, so it's like £28 in the UK, £28 for a day sack. But honestly, you can get them a lot cheaper in the marketplaces. Okay, so it's actually quite dear in the shopping mall. So it's better off to get stuff outside the shopping centre. Oh, they're sexy too. Look at that. Oh, sexy. I've just found a shop that is really cheap for clothes. Some people like really white tops, but you're gonna find it in a shop called GQ. So look at these cheap clothes. So if you need to empty your suitcase at the airport to save weight, then don't worry, you can come to this shop. Okay, nice. Okay, so immigration. You're going to need to know where this is if you're a foreigner staying for more than a month, I would say. So I've got a stamp saying that I'm allowed to stay in Thailand for 2 months, but that might change, and out of just peace of mind, you need to find your local immigration. So don't worry about it, because they are scattered all around a city. So if you have children, then this is the place to take them. I don't know how obvious it is, but there's so many bouncy castles. You can sit up there and eat your food. There's a food market up there whilst watching your children play. So that's a great bonus subject. Where can you bring your children? And actually, to go on to the next video, I'll leave it here and I'll see you on that one, and you'll see how much fun we have at a dinosaur Jurassic Park. I think that's going to conclude this bonus video, and I'm going to spend some time with my wife in this shopping mall. So take care, remember to subscribe if you got this far, like the video, comment what I've missed out, and then I can write it all down for the future video. Okay, take care, God bless.